How do you spell Toronto?
D-R-A-K-E. I'm about to see the CN Tower in 2 seconds, so.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
It's absolutely crazy that I started a company 2 months ago in my dorm room at McGill, and now we're in Toronto. And I'm gonna take you through our office that we opened 48 hours ago. I'm still mind blown. So we're gonna start in Yorkville. First of all, take a look at the view. I love being in the city. Like, this is something I've dreamed of ever since I've been a kid. Like, growing up in Canada, Toronto's just the place to be. So yeah, let's get into it.
How long have you been coding for?
So I started coding at 14. So it's been now 8 years. And I've been posting on social media about it for the last 2.5 years or 3 years now, I guess. My passion has always been building, and the ability to build something from scratch yourself with your own hands is why I fell in love with coding. And I'm literally doing that now, building my own company with my own hands that's being used by hundreds of thousands of people, that has raised millions of dollars. It's crazy, and that's why I'm so passionate about what I do.
Reckon man, play my song on the radio. You too busy trying to find that blue I saw.
Alright, we're getting off the subway now. We just got to the financial district, which is right in the heart of Toronto. There are so many successful companies here. It's actually exactly where I worked for Amazon last summer. The building right beside, which is kind of crazy as well. Like, to think that I worked so hard to get that job, got it, and now I'm saying no to the return offer to go work in the building right beside. Also, just take a look at all of this. There's just something about walking to your own office that's, I can't even explain to you the feeling. Like, this is what dreams are made of, you know? You know, it's a crazy feeling. When I'll be going to, just cross here. Okay. When I'm going to my office these days, I'll get stopped in the subway with people recognizing me, and they're always telling me how inspired they are by my journey, and then they're like, oh, I learned this thing that you taught me and it got me a job at Google, or I'm building my own thing because you motivated me, and that kind of stuff makes me so happy. Like, yeah.
I say that.
All right, let's take the long way. It's more aesthetic, the scenic route, you know?
Yeah, taking the long scenic route.
Look at this.
Get all the buildings, get everything.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I love Toronto though.
And you were here before this, right?
Yeah.
Like before the Amazon. Have you been here like before your first Amazon job too?
No, actually this summer was my first time being in Toronto. I fell in love with the city, honestly. I just felt like it's the place to be, especially for people in their 20s. You know, I love Montreal, I love McGill. That city is always gonna have a special place in my heart, but Toronto's the best place in Canada, you know? All right, this is it. This is the building. And take a look right behind you. We're like, what, 100 meters?
We're right there.
Yeah, do you need any more motivation than that? Just wait till we show you what it looks like at night too. It's absolutely beautiful. The late nights at the office just hit different, so. I just saw I'm supposed to have an interview with someone on our team. So we're just expanding the team right now. Now that we have an office, we have to fill it out, right? Currently our dev team is Masa, UI UX expert. And yeah, we're trying to look to add more people, but I'm gonna have to move that interview, obviously. Let's go, let's take a look. So this is it. This is our shared space. You know, got the free coffee, free tea. Gonna be rinsing this.
Everything's just free 99.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, let's go the long way around. Let's take a look.
Oh yeah, get the scenic route once more.
Exactly, yeah. No one's here on a Sunday. Shame they're not as motivated as I am. Over here, these little cubicles to take phone calls. And this over here, let's see if you guys should go in there. This is a meeting room. You can book out, you know, look very professional.
Yeah,
pitch
brainstorming.
to investors, yeah. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, these are just more office spaces. Actually, what we're about to see is my favorite office space in this entire building. So these guys have their own keg right here. We'll get up which is
To the
so
glass.
funny. Yeah. Right, these guys on Thursday were having a time. Yeah, look, the free snacks, everything. This is our goal. This is what we have to scale to. But you know, we're starting off small.
It's all good. Soon enough.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So right around the corner here is our official space. So as you can see, we're still setting up. You know, just got all the equipment today. And here are the boys.
Bro, it's cooked.
All right. So this is Marcel, one of our lead engineers.
How's it going?
He joined a couple weeks ago. He actually got promoted. He was a sales intern, so we fucked that up. Yeah, I was just talking to him and I was like, yeah, this guy clearly knows way more. So.
Yeah, now I make more than him, so that's another story, so we're good now.
Yeah, and then this is Masa. You know, worked on M4 with me. We go way back. Yeah, he's an absolute weapon.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on now.
Ah, you can actually see, bro. Look at this. repping.
Dude, look at my PromptShop sticker, bro. What's happening?
Yeah, you gotta take that off now.
Dude, what's happening?
Right, now take a look at this. This is you. Pardon the mess. Absolutely beautiful. And then of course you got the Timmies.
Of course, Canadian staple.
We have two of our co-founders visiting from. They're both British, and they were so excited when they saw Timmy's. You know, actually, had to show them how it's done. And the most important part of the office, obviously, are the free snacks. One of my best friends and old roommate Dylan hooked us up. That guy's an absolute legend, beast, bro. Yeah, we should. I'm gonna throw up a clip of his. Bro, like insane powerlifter representing Canada. You know, he's actually probably going to be competing at the time that this video goes live. Like that guy is an absolute unit. So
Shout out Dylan.
yeah, shout out Dylan. Yeah. I only just upgraded on my M1 Air.
I had it on an M2 Air.
Yeah, I actually just upgraded off my M1 Air 4 weeks ago. That's in the last vlog, me getting it. It's crazy. Yeah. Now I have the PromptShop money. I could buy myself like the M4 Pro, all decked out computer, and yeah, the difference is mind blowing. So
That's what I'm trying to be at. I need the M4 Pro.
yeah, rags to riches, you know. So that's what I love about Toronto. The buildings are just beautiful.
Huge. I love it.
All right, that's gonna be it for the vlog. Next week I have 2 midterms in 24 hours. Right after the last one, I'm flying out to LA to talk to some investors. I can't mention who they are, but then I'm going to San Francisco to talk to some really big names. And then we're also going to Palm Springs for the tennis tournament because we got connections there. Might get a bunch of PromptShop hats in there. Sponsor one of the matches, hopefully. And yeah, hopefully I could get some of that on camera too because that'd be pretty sick. So that'll be it. I'll see you guys in the next one.